Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video, also a little bit of a review of the bag, and also an unboxing of a new bag that I may or may not have ordered one night after too many glasses of wine and I couldn't sleep. So that's what you're getting today. I thought it'd be fun to kind of throw it all into one video, so we're going to see where it takes us. But the bag I'm going to be showing you guys today is a bag that I have been wearing non-stop the past, I don't know, like 6 months or something. Like spring and summer, this has been my go-to bag and I'm obsessed, and I want to show you guys what's inside of it because that's just really important things that are important. So here we have the bag right here. This beaut is from Mr. Louis Vuitton, and you know what I'm going to do? I am going to Google the pronunciation because I'm an adult. Okay, so let's see what it says. It's called
Croisette. Croisette, Croisette, Croisette.
I thought it was gonna be a French dude, like, pronouncing it for me. Let's try this again. Okay, we're gonna go to dictionary.com because YouTube was unhelpful.
Croisette.
Croisette. Oh, so it's like croissant, but croisette. Okay, I like it. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Croisette. This is, shit, I gotta freaking Google the pronunciation of the color. Okay, I just watched like a 5-minute video and I still don't really know how to say it. This is the Louis Vuitton Croisette Damier Azur. That's as good as it's gonna get. I am actually a good chunk of French according to my DNA results that I had done. So I need to really learn. But anyways, this is the bag that I have been wearing nonstop. It's definitely become one of my favorite bags. I love the print for spring and summer. I just feel like it's just so classy. It goes with pretty much anything. Like if you're like a jeans girl, like I feel like this just looks so good with like blue denim. I haven't had any issues of denim rubbing off onto this. It's the perfect little size. I love that there's a top handle. I love that there's a crossbody strap. I just feel like it's just the best little bag. I love that you can shut it. Like unlike a Neverfull, you can't really like shut those. Like this, you can shut. So, I mean, it just looks like this. It has the cutest little tassel in the whole world. I just love tassels. Do you love tassels? I love tassels. It has a little clasp here. So that's how you like can open and shut it. And it is baby pink on the inside, so it's just all around the cutest thing that you ever saw. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I have in here, and you can actually fit a good amount into this bag. So here we have it. This is like the most organized bag I've ever had because, I don't know, it's small, so you kind of like have to be like somewhat organized. So let's get to it. So first they have these little pockets on the sides, and those I keep my credit cards, my ID. I don't have a card holder, so usually my whole life just gets splattered across like the floor of Target, like because I don't have a card holder. I need to get like a card holder and put it in here. So I have my cards. I will not show you because you will steal my money, and I'm not into that. So that's what I keep in this pocket. I should invest in a card holder. If you guys have like a favorite one, let me know. We've got a 50, which is very, very extreme for me because I usually have about $1 to my name. So here's the $1. Somebody must have gave me the 50 because I don't know where that came from. We've got a quarter, a dime, and a penny. Amazing. We've got a little allergy tablet because I can't breathe. We've got some jewelry that is in a wad, of course. Tangled up. Tangle, tangle, tangle. This just gives me extreme anxiety, and I'm not going to do it. It says love, so I do not love tangled necklaces, but that's in there. Probably won't ever wear it again because of that. So then I have this trusty, handy-dandy little bag. This is actually from Tweezerman. I don't keep tweezers in here, but it just happened to fit like really nicely. So this is like my little makeup bag, so we'll see what we've got in here. I have a brow pencil. This is the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil because I just can't stand like if part of my eyebrow came off. Like I just want to freak out. I have this Maybelline Shine Lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige because you are the baddest. Bad bitches only. I have this Maybelline Better Stay powder. This one I actually really like. It's good for like touch-ups, and also because it's so skinny, like it fits in there like really well. So it doesn't like take up a lot of room like a round compact. Usually they're like thicker And this one, it's pretty skinny. So this is the Maybelline Better Skin Powder. I really like it. This is the shade Warm Nude. I think I might have had this in previous bags. This is literally like 6 years old. It's probably really bad for me, but I don't really care. We've got a roller lash. Benefit roller lash is like my go-to. Then we have a JLo lipstick. This is the color Floor. It's a really pretty, if it's like a nude, but this is like what I put on like if I don't want like a true nude, because it has like a nice peachy tone to it. So that's about as much as I step outside the box. Anything else in here? Nope, that's all that's in my little makeup bag. Okay. I thought there would be something more exciting, but there's not. Oh, we've got more in here. Then of course I have my all-time favorite nude lipstick that I cannot live without. You guys always ask me about this. What nude lipstick are you wearing? 99% of the time it's this. Today it's not this because it was in my purse. This is Tarte Rum Punch. It's the best nude lipstick ever. I just love it so much, and I clearly need another one because this one's gonna run out soon, but it's just so good. The perfect shade. It's not too matte, not too shiny. It's just the best. What else we got? We've got some hand sanitizer. I don't think this actually works. I feel like I read that that is like a myth that this kills germs or something, but I use it anyway. We've got some chapstick. This is Excellus Healthcare. Sucks, but it's SPF 15. It smells like vanilla, and I don't know, I just need chapstick in my bag at all times because I have the world's most chapped lips. If you couldn't tell, don't look. Don't look. Then next up, what do we have? We have some body lotion. I have to have lotion with me at all times, else I just cannot go on with my day. If I have no lotion, I will literally go buy some because that's how serious my problem is. I cannot wash my hands without putting lotion on afterward. I will literally like get out of bed at like 2 in the morning if I realize that my hands are not moisturized. It's very serious. So I went to a hotel last week and I always steal their body lotion because it's always the perfect little size to put in your bag. So this is the White Tea Aloe from the Westin, and it smells super good. It's very citrusy. It kind of reminds me of, what does it remind me of? I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like a cologne almost. It's really good. What is this? Oh. So this is pretty grimy and gross, but I will tell you what it is. This is Pepto-Bismol. Clearly, I just have an extra in there. But these, okay, these little guys, I don't know, did I have these in my last bag? I don't remember. I didn't watch that video. But these, they are little itty bitty. They're supposed to be for scars. They're like silicone tape. It's like medical silicone tape, and they're supposed to be for scars, but I actually use these as like nipple covers, and I must have like ripped them off and was like done with them that day and shoved them in my bag. But they're so good. I don't like the little flower petals that stick on because they literally rip your skin off and they hurt, and you can only use them once. Like this little thing, I know it sounds gross, but you can literally shower with these on. You can wear them like 100 times and still use them, so it's just like a cheaper alternative. If you have like really like intense nipples, you would probably have to layer them up a little bit, maybe like 2 layers of tape. Is this like TMI? I have no idea, but this is what I use to make sure I don't have nip-ons. I don't like that word, but I don't know what else to call it. Okay, then we have a bracelet. This I literally stole from my mom like 10 years ago when I still lived at home, and it looks like it could be like a David Yurman bracelet. So, it's really cute, and thanks, Mom. I don't know if you've been missing this, but I've had it for a very long time, so you probably don't. We got a hair tie, a nice brown one. I have my sunglasses. These are just my Ray-Bans, my go-tos. They're just really cute, and you should get them because I wear them all the time. Then lastly, I have my car keys, and it keeps saying, change your battery, and I haven't changed it, so I'm probably gonna end up stranded somewhere in a parking lot in the very near future because I don't know, what kind of battery does this even take? Like probably like a $300 one? I don't know. Do you guys know? I should probably find that out. Oh no, I have one other thing. I'm lying. Then I have my perfume. This I don't always keep in here, but like I said, I was like traveling, so I just threw it in there. But this is my go-to perfume lately. I've been obsessed with this summer. This is the Sarah Jessica Parker Stash Unspoken. It smells so good. Oh my god, it just smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like intoxicating. I don't know. I can't remember the notes. I think there's like peony, tonka bean, something like that, but it's really cute. I obviously lost the cap, but it's like rose gold and it smells amazing. So that is everything that I have in my bag. So it's actually pretty, you know, light. Like I have my necessities, I guess, but you can't fit that much, but I feel like I did fit quite a bit in there, like more than you would think. Oh, and then obviously my phone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so it's a big boy and it fits in there. So now we're done with this little gal and we have a new one to unbox. And I don't really buy a lot of high-end items, but if I do, I make sure it's something that I will use a lot, like a handbag I carry every day. So bags are just my thing. I just love handbags. I don't know what it is. It's just my guilty pleasure. So without further ado, let's unbox. Here we go. Let's get it out of the box. Out of the box. Out of the box. Who remembers that show? You guys remember that show? I have not opened it. I bought this like at 1 in the morning. I feel like those purchases shouldn't really count because who is buying stuff after 1 a.m. that they really need? It's not a thing. I couldn't sleep one night and I had like a little bit of a buzz going and I just was like, I'm just gonna buy this bag. Like I'm gonna do it. And then I kind of forgot about it and then it like showed up in my door. Like you have to like sign for it. So we'll see what she looks like. So here we are. We got the dust bag. Okay, so this is literally the most perfect fall bag that I've ever seen in my life. And I haven't really seen anybody carry this yet. So here she is. Or he. What should we name him? I don't name my bags. That's weird. I have no idea what it's even called or how much I spent on her. I don't want to know. Clapton. Oh, that's an easy one, like Eric Clapton. Love Eric Clapton. So it is so freaking cute. It has feet. I didn't know it had feet. Do I have feet? This one doesn't have feet. It has like a little clasp. So you just hit it. Open sesame. We got the strap. Let me put the strap on real quick. Oh, the strap is adjustable. Oh, that's amazing. For people who are like tall or short, that's nice. So I just put the crossbody strap on it. I will show you guys what it looks like on in a minute. This is suede on the inside. It's this gorgeous like squash color. I just keep thinking of like pumpkins and fall. So here's the inside. This actually has like a lot of compartments for a Louis Vuitton bag. So we got 2 side pockets and a middle zipper, which that'll come in handy. And then I won't even need a little makeup bag. I can just throw it all in the center. But seriously, how perfect is this? Like I cannot get over how fall appropriate this is gonna be. And it's like new. So I haven't like seen anybody carrying this yet. So maybe I'm just not looking, but this is just, I don't even know what to say. Like I feel like this is just gonna be my jam. It goes with everything. I mean, you got the black, you got the browns. It's just perfect. So I'm gonna put these on my body so you guys can see, but I'm wearing a bodysuit right now, so I need to button that up and also button my jeans because I'm obviously not just sitting here with my bodysuit and my jeans buttoned for the fun of it. Okay, so here is what the bag looks like on. There is no top handle though. So that's like the biggest difference, I think, because you can't carry it another way unless you just carry it like this. You can't like carry it with a top handle, obviously, because there isn't one. But I think it's like the perfect size. And I normally carry my other bag over shoulder anyway. So I think this is just the perfect little fall bag. And then I'll show you guys the other one really quick. This strap is not adjustable and it hits me like right around like the hip area. Obviously this one has a top handle, which is going to be the biggest difference, but so here are the two side by side. This one obviously is not adjustable, but it does have a top handle. And then here's this one, very similar in shape and style. And print, obviously this one is just like the dark version, but I am obsessed. So if you have this one and like this one, you'll probably like this one. I haven't even used this one time, but you know. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what is in my current bag that I've been carrying this spring and summer. I'm just gonna sit around and wait for it to become fall so I can carry this pretty little thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Interested DNA. Interested. Ancestry. Oh my god, why can I not say fucking Ancestry? Ancestry. Let's just do the 23andMe. That's way easier, right? What is in my bag? I think I should be like a game show hot lady that they have. Tell them what they've won, Bob.